This is a piece of 14mm medium carbon steel, and it's about 11 inches long. I'm going to make a steak turner, a meat turner, barbecue turner, whatever you want to call it. Very good friend of the channel, Ron Thacker, has passed a milestone birthday, and so I asked him what would he like me to make, and he said make me one of these. I never made one of these before, and so he showed me some examples, but said just use my own way to make it, and he'll be sure to like it. I also need to give a shout out to Ron Thacker for his recent generous donation, and to Stephen Watkins as well. Thanks very much, fellas. I've had this cone mandrel for a while, but have hardly used it. This is a new logo mark that I have, a smaller bonehead approved skull without the bonehead approved words. I'm doing this operation a third time because I want to flare the ends out a little bit more, because I'm going to twist this, and that'll just give it a little bit more depth. My anvil is jumping all over the place as I draw out using my 4-pound hammer. Ron specified that this should be right-handed, so you'll approach the stake or whatever from the left-hand side and then turn with a clockwise motion. So as I'm looking at this, I feel it's a little bit too boring in the middle there, so I'll try to do something, maybe make it look a little bit more organic. Well, I'm not sure if that's more organic, but it's got a bit of a wave to it and kind of an interesting look. And I like it where it's at, so I'm going to leave that and then do the hooked end. I don't know why I haven't used this simple hardy tool in this overhanging way before. Seems very useful. Barely a minute with the angle grinder to put a little bit extra point on the end there. A friend of a friend has a bee farm, and I purchased this block of beeswax a while back, and I've used it once or twice, but never in a video. I figure I'll use some of this on this piece and see how it looks. This is a pretty big block. I think I paid 10 bucks for it, and I've got this piece that I cut off of it already. I put the front end of this stake turner in my forge for about 30 seconds, so it's at a black heat right now. A little bit too hot, so I'll let it cool down just a little bit. Ron also says he likes the brass brush look, so I think I'll use that on the handle end right now as well. Should be just right to rub some of this beeswax on right now. I like the transition and the contrast between the brass brush and the beeswax, which has a much darker look. So there it is. One stake turner made to order. Medium well, and that sounds swell. May you never burn your food and stay in a good mood. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.